Well, good day, folks. Bruce here. Hey, Mick, it came finally. Whatever it is. It's from Mick's Mowers. International shipping. So let's have a look. Hey! I don't know. I have an idea there's a cup in here. I know that, but maybe not. We'll see. This took a long time to get here, like weeks and weeks. Oh! Okay. Did you want me to send it back rebuilt? I gotta look inside. Maybe he's jerking my chain. I know how you feel about Tecumseh's, Mick. I could probably make this one go. And so I don't know what was clinking in here, so that's a good thing. Okay. Let's just see what's in here. Oh, good. It's not broken. I thought I was going to get a coffee cup. All right, you guys, this is Mick's logo. And this one is like that one, right up on my wall there. So he's looking down on me all the time, eh? Ah, right on. These are for splicing wires. So if you've got a $40 lawnmower or a 30 quid lawnmower or whatever, you can use these to splice two good ends together and create a good cable. Whoops. Ooh, okay, so here we are. Those are handy. Thanks, Mick. I love that. So we got a Tecumseh carburetor. Did you want me to rebuild that? I'll ask you that. A coffee cup. Mick's Mowers. Keychain. So anybody out there who's got any... Oh, look at that. I got that poster too, so I'll have to put that on my toolbox. Thank you, buddy. And he said that this scraper is as handy as a hole in your underwear. So I will give that a workout to scrape out broccoli from underneath the lawnmower. Thank you. Yeah, that looks like it'll be better than the old girl I'm using, which is just a 2-inch putty knife, right? So this will get into just around the grooves a little better. And that's great. Thank you very much. Grass Buster. So that'll go down there. All right. Hemostat. Thanks, Mick. So he sent me some filters, and then some inline screen filters. Thanks, buddy. I want to shake your hand. Well, thanks, Mick. It means a lot to me that you would go through that much hassle just to be friendly. So thank you very much. Bye. Good day, folks. Bruce here. Here we go. I just received this in the mail today. It's from the States, Pennsylvania, and I think it's from a young guy by the name of Jeff Miller. And all I know, it has something to do with coins. That's all I know. So I'll just keep the back to you. Things take a long time to get here from the States. This was mailed in a month and a half ago or so. All right. Well, it looks fancy already, doesn't it? Oh. Certificate of Authenticity. 50 years. This is 50th anniversary of A Man in Space. So it's 64 to 2014. But man landed on the moon July 20th, 1969. I remember that because it was my 13th birthday, which makes me 64 yesterday. So it would have been nice if these came yesterday too, right? So thank you, Jeff. I'm not even going to take them out of the plastic keeper that's in here, because things like this are worth more if they're not messed with. So thank you very much. I'll put this down with my coins downstairs. So thank you very much. The generosity of my subscribers is unbelievable, and anybody who's been in YouTube for a few years understands that. So thanks again. And have a good day, everybody. Bye. Mail day! Does that help? A little bit, eh? I know what this is. I have an old one that I use, but it uses a laser light and a tinfoil reflector. So you have to put the tinfoil on the rotating assembly to get the RPM. And this one uses an induction from the spark plug wire, and because they just radiate boom, 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 out into the radiosphere, and then this picks up the pulse. I hope this is what it is. He's a little guy, eh? Our weather's been awful lately. Although rain is always a good thing, right? Chainsaw tachometer manual. I think you just wind the wire through there. Okay, instructions. It's operated and suitable for two-stroke engines, four-stroke twin-cylinder, and petrol engines that rotate once a week. Must be a translation. More suitable for gasoline-powered chainsaws, powered lawn mowers, gasoline engine test speeds up to 30,000 RPM. Due to the inductive design, put the meter near the spark plug cable and it will test the data. Method 1. Keep the meter between the spark plug 3 to 5 centimeters and then test. Method 2. Insert the pickup wire into the hole of the meter and make the metal clip clamp to the spark plug cable. That's the method I'm going to use. LCD liquid crystal display, built-in battery, inductive design, safe and reliable. Hold down the RST, the system data recovery function zero clearing. The product will enter power saving mode when not in use. Once testing, it will enter working mode. That's pretty sweet. Well, we gotta test it, right? So I'm gonna go test it on that Honda and we'll see what it comes up with. And I don't know if you could hear, we had 3,100 RPM maximum, right? And I don't know if you could hear, but the RPM was still hunting a little bit. Went to 2,700 and then back up to 3,100. So that's exactly what I wanted. I am so happy. And we just put it away like this. Into our happy little pouch. Or into our happy little box. Now that is a tool. No built-in battery for life? Who knows about that, eh? I'm going to put that into my small engine good tool storageness. Right down there by the magnets. That's fitting. I'll just move the magnets over a little bit. Okay, right down into here. There it is. Thanks for watching this one, tubes. YouTube, folks.